Oh, huh?
Gorgeous.
All right, so she's wearing that skirt with a top we're going to feature next, and it looks great. And this is Susan's liquid knit top. It's got 3/4 length split sleeves, and the split in the sleeve is a crochet detail.
Cute.
So very cute, kind of little peekaboo.
Little peekaboo.
Yeah,
kind
like,
of little something
like a little
shows.
surprise on the sleeve.
Yeah,
we love that.
And it's crochet, which is just a huge trend. We're seeing so much crochet, so much lace, and so we did it so it's just that little subtle elegance. Look how stunning that is. Beautiful.
That looks great.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
I do love this top. It is, yeah,
I can see why. Okay, so there, we actually have, what, 4 or 5 colors?
And another one that's awesome with again,
the Today's
even
Special
the Today's
Value.
Special Value
Yeah.
in the print with the
cute.
solid top, again, and you're
building
we're
outfits.
having fun.
That's
Building
what we're
outfits.
Doing. So first we have the top in black with that crochet detail at the sleeve. Then this color is called Island Teal.
Love, 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 love.
And that's the one Michelle is wearing. Yeah,
that's a great color.
That's nice. And then you did it in Imperial Purple.
And earlier we were showing like purple every time with the red little
for the
skirt
red
for
hat
the red hat
ladies.
ladies. Yes, isn't that beautiful? It's the right shade of red with that beautiful
is.
purple. How great is that with the skirt?
That's perfect.
And you've got you get the interest of the crochet. It's just so good.
Oh, that's fun. And then the pink is called Passion Pink.
Pretty color too.
Yes.
Really pretty for the summertime. And
yeah,
you
kind
can
of a
put
watermelon tone to that
and
pink.
some of these vests, the vest that we just showed, how stunning that is
pretty.
with the pink. But I also layered it over.
Yeah.
And
you
know, how gorgeous
our final
is
color
that?
is called
What
Latte.
An outfit. That's
Latte.
A fabulous
Isn't that
outfit.
pretty? Oh, I like that with the vest. By the way, the vest, if you want it, that's the wheat. And then the color of your top with the crochet is called Latte.
Latte.
So this one's new this month, and ladies are already loving this.
They're loving because, again, they love the way that it shapes. It's actually, again, my liquid knit, and we do that beautiful V-neck. And when we do a V-neck, we do a binding on the inside. So the V-neck really lays perfectly, you know, on the inside. And there you can see the binding is on the inside. And you don't see that on a lot of garments. Again, we do that, again, because of the fact that it's going to fit perfectly. It's going to stay on a woman's chest. You could bend over properly. It doesn't sag.
Right.
So all the little details, and you'll see that when we get it home. You'll see the way everything, there's taping on, you know, the seaming detail. And then we do a little bit of a fashion interest by having that really classic V neckline, but opening up that sleeve. So it's super, super comfortable. And this is so pretty. That crochet, you can see the scalloped edging. It's a beautiful piece also of crochet. And there, as we get lower, you know, it gets like more and more and more and more. It's just really gorgeous. And it's elegant, and you're not showing too much. It's not like a big cold shoulder. Like there's no hole up in your shoulder. You know, your arms are appropriately covered. It's just that little bit of a peekaboo, a little bit more modern. These are the pieces that, you know, as we start getting into our printed bottoms, you know, printed pants are huge this year again, printed skirts. You know, we need some really good solid tops that just are a little bit more elevated, a little dressier to go with all those printed bottoms. This is that top that just updates anything. I love that Katya is wearing the purple with the Today's Special Value in that kind of stone, kind of wheat color. How beautiful the purple works. But look at the sleeve. Can you see how, you know, that little peekaboo with the crochet knit, still nice coverage, but just gives her openness, it gives her airiness, and very young.
Well, I think, you know, and for women who appreciate fashion, we'd love to hear from those of you who call in, because that's the reason you spend time with us here at QVC, and it's the reason you look forward to the shows with Susan. You know, a half dozen women can show up at an event or at the office wearing a V-neck top. The one wearing this, that's the one who really, you know, gets noticed. And so as you're looking at this and you're thinking, oh, it's easy to wear. It's a great V-neck. It's got 3/4 length sleeves, but adding that special touch at the sleeve with the crochet, that's what sets you apart. So we have it in 5 colors. Black has been the most popular. Island Teal, that's the color that Michelle is wearing. Imperial Purple, that's the color Katya is wearing. We also have it for you in that Passion Pink. And the Latte, that's the one that Susan showed you, and she layered the little chiffon vest over that. So that was a really nice look if you like it. A265020, that's the item number. $44.64 is the price for that top. All right, so it's the first time ever that Susan Graver